Our project title is Finger Shelf. It is an Android application for product searching and matching. Our supervisor is Professor Chen Kwang. Our objective of the application, the main objective is to help customer to eliminate shopping trouble. But how? We try to implement some function to find the details and the location of product in the shops, and also we provide a matching algorithm for the customer to match closest with their favorable products. To attain a goal, we want to enhance customers' enjoyment in shopping, so as to attract customers to do more purchase in the shop and to beneficial to the retailers. We want to increase the sales. For the general function of our application, there are two paths you can go. The first path is the item view. You can read the barcode of the item, and then you can go into the item view page to see the details information. And if you do not like the item view page, you can go into the catalog. It provided a catalog for browsing product of different categories. In semester 2, we do the three function implementation. One is the matching. We match the chosen items with the other product as suggestions, and moreover, we also do the implementation of item location. It provides a 2D map of the store and show the location of interested items. And finally, we do the present part. It is the multi-angle display. We display item on model with different angles instead of showing on a plain pane. Before we do the further development in our application, we want to understand the direction and also the need of the customer. So we have interview with owner of a wholesaling store, Ms. Chiu. Here are the important points that we want to mention. The first point that she told us is developing a mobile application for fashion industry is the current trend. So we think that it is also our direction. Try to launch our application to suit the market. And she also suggests us some direction of the future mobile application. First thing is what we are doing is to enhance the customer's shopping experience, and also beneficial to the retailers. We want to increase the sales of the shop and also the opportunity for promotion. In our future plan, we want to add more interesting functions to attract customers to download our application. And let's go into our implementation part in semester 2. In semester 1, we do the design of the matching algorithm, and in this semester, we do the implementation of the matching algorithm. Each item will match one item for every category. And here show that this one is a top item that it match one item for accessory, one item for bottom, and one item for jacket. And another function that we do the implementation is the real-time stock information. The maximum stock, we assume that as the maximum stock is 100, and we divided the condition into 3 cases. One is little, that means the stock is under 25, and the color will be in red. And the other condition is normal, which is the stock is between 25 and 75, which will show in the color yellow. And the last condition is plenty, that means the stock is over 75. The color, the word will be shown in green.
For the item location part, we will show a 2D map of the store and show the location of the interested item. Moreover, we'll show the location of the user, so we have an indoor positioning system. For indoor positioning, it is not work with GPS because it's only provide the location globally. For indoor case, we invented to use a barcode scanner to locate the user by scanning a barcode nearby the user. And also on the location map, we have implemented an orientation sensor to find out the facing direction of the customer so that they can know where to go to find their ideal products. For the multi-angle display part, we have implemented to show them in an animation like this one. The animation will show different angle automatically in different angle. It is done by a frame-by-frame animation in a very short duration so that it looks like a 3D modeling. For the animation, it's also applicable to control it. When clicking on the animation, the user are able to play or stop the animation, and the animation will have control of speed by the button under it. For the future part of our application, we have a few functions that can be added to the application. The first one is photo editing. We suggest that the user can key in their face or adding some interesting sticker and cartoons to the photos so that it will attract more customers to download the application. The second one is sharing the screen with friends at real time so that the user can shopping with their friends and they can getting real-time opinion from their friends when they shop alone. We also suggest that the application database can combine all the shop's information so that the application can get more information of different retail store, and the user can get the information from different stores. In our matching algorithm, we now use the database product to match it. We suggest that in future development, we can maintain a user database for registered user so that they can store their own product and store the matching algorithm preference and do the matching more customly. We also suggest the application to connect to the social network so that the user can share their favorable items and matching to their friends.